Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this shoulder length bob transformation. She ends up getting the hair colored this beautiful copper tone. Look at this bob. I am loving this. The color, the cut, beautiful bangs going in the front. Absolutely stunning makeover. And then we move into another bob transformation. So she ends up getting some color for this one as well. And this beautiful shoulder length lob haircut. So moving on to transformation number 3. She's also going to be getting a bob haircut with this one. Beautiful modern detailing here with the bangs once again going in the front for this bob. So chic and polished. This is a beautiful French girl style bob. So much volume within this haircut as well. So moving on to the next transformation, she starts off with blonde mid-length hair. The stylist does some coloring here. There is the before and there is the after. So she got a nice golden blonde makeover. Oh, okay. He is cutting a lot of hair for this next one. Going super short with a pixie mullet variation. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I am loving this. So much texture within this cut as well. Beautifully done. So here we have the next transformation. She starts off with mid-length hair. She does have some grown out color going here, so she's probably going to get some color done as well. Looks like she's going to go about shoulder length or so. Oh, beautiful blonde color. She did a shoulder length blunt lob here. Oh, that color looks so pretty. Look at that dimension. Just breathtaking. And then we have another pixie makeover. So she starts off with a bob. Looks like she wants a razor pixie. This is also known as a choppy style pixie as well. It features a lot of texture. This really creates a lot of volume, body, and movement within the cut. So if you have hair on the thinner side, this might be a great hairstyle to try out. Very cute. It has a very piecey appearance. And then we have someone else who decided to go shorter. It looks like more of a pixie haircut. That's the in-between cut between a pixie and a bob style. Offers you a little bit more length than a traditional pixie, but much shorter than a bob. Very cute. So we have a blowout here. Flat ironing the hair, doing a silk press. And then the stylist cuts the hair into a bob. So there were definitely a lot of bobs featured within today's video. This is, of course, one of the hottest hairstyles that you can try out this season. So she wanted to go a little bit shorter with this bob here. Very cute. I love the carefree chic vibe that this cut offers. And it's almost like a pixie bob because it is very short. And she has so much body within this cut as well. And look at that shine. Just gorgeous. Next up, we have someone, it looks like she might be getting some color here. Oh, beautiful ginger with the layers. So she did probably get some extensions. Obviously, she started off with hair that was shorter. And then we move into another bob makeover. She's got a beautiful blonde color here. The stylist is doing a nice classic bob. Very nice. Nice, simple, and chic. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration by checking out today's video. I'm going to leave you with this last transformation. If you did enjoy this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you in the next one.